So we did 10 rows of our pair of increasing. Right now we're gonna start the next rows which contains of 5 parts, and it's basically a rapidly increase for our ears just to get the shape of cat's head or kitten's head. So we're gonna do 5 pairs or 10 rows with rapid increase. What this means is that in each row we're gonna do like increase, which is basically like 2 single crochet in one row, and we're gonna do all increases in this place. So on one side only, none increases on this side. This side like stays straight, and this is just increase. So let's do it together. I'm gonna do a couple pairs just for you to see. So we start with loop, turn a crochet, and taking all till the end, and in the end we're gonna do our increase. Here I get till the end where we're doing our increase, and in this loop we're gonna do 2 single crochet at the same loop. So it's gonna be our first row, then we turn a crochet, making a loop, turning a crochet, and in this first loop we're gonna do increase, so 2 single crochet at the same loop. That's why it's gonna be rapid, because we do increases in every single row, and then continue doing single crochet till the end. So then for our third row we're gonna do a loop, turn a crochet, and take till this side, and I see you there. So at this point we get till the end, and this is the place where we're gonna do our increase. So this is our last loop, and this is last one. So we're gonna do increase. So this is our one increase on this row. On the second row we're gonna do a loop, then turn a crochet and do increase straight away, basically 2 single crochet in one loop, and after that we continue the row of single crochets till the end. So at this stage we have done already 2 pairs of our rapidly increase, let's call it 𝗧𝗢, and then we're gonna continue to do 3 more pair of rows of rapid increase. So basically like increase here, increase there, increase here, increase there, and 3 more rows with the same, like 3 more pair of rows or 6 more rows with this pattern, if it's okay. And it will be the top of our ears for our like kitten ears shape, let's say this way. So I see you on the top. So we made 2 pairs of this super increase, or like, and now this row is actually our starting point of our incredible decrease or rapid decrease. So I get to the point where it's our top, so this row it's actually our 10th row of our like incredible increase, and this one is gonna be our decrease. We're getting to the point where it's just 2 loops left on our row, and here we are, and we're not gonna do decrease, which basically means grabbing 1 loop from like 1 loop and then grabbing another loop from the next loop, and we have 3 loops on a hook, and then just taking 1 loop through all 3 of them and making decrease. So this is the end of our first row of decreases. We need to do 10 of them. Then we're gonna do 1 loop, turning the crochet, and we're gonna do decrease again straight away. 1, 2, voila, decrease, and then we're gonna get in till the end of the row as usual, just getting there till here, and then we're just twisting, like making a loop, getting all the way there, and I see you there just to show you this pattern again. So we did our first row, we're gonna do our second row of decrease, and I see you after the 3rd row of our decreases. Here we are. There is our 3rd row of decreases. We're getting near the end where just 2 loops left in the row, so from the previous row. We're getting decrease at this stage, right? And this is the end of our 3rd row, and we're gonna start the 4th row to make a 2nd pair of decreases. So making decrease again and finishing the rest of the row in the same way, like this, just usual single crochet. So our 2nd pair of like decreases is done. There are 3 pairs left, and I'm gonna see you there. Here we are there again. So what we did so far, we did 10 rows of increasement, 10 rows of decrease. So we have 1 of our ear, and we need to do a 2nd one